Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to use Google Maps to pin multiple locations. So let's dive right in. While you can't directly add multiple pins on the standard Google Maps view, there's a handy tool called My Maps that allows you to do just that. Let's jump in. First, head over to Google Maps and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. In the top left corner, you'll see a menu button with 3 horizontal lines. Click that and then navigate to Saved and Maps. Finally, click on Create Map to get started. Now you've got your own custom map ready. There are 2 ways to add locations. Search bar. This is a quick and easy method. Simply type in the address or name of your desired location in the search bar at the top. Once it pops up, click Add to Map, and it will appear as a pin. Manual pinning. You can also directly drop a pin on the map itself. Click the marker icon on the left-hand side and then click on the spot you want to mark. A new location will be added. Here's where you can make your map your own. Click on any pin to edit its title, description, or even change the pin color for better organization. You can also add directions between different locations to plan your route. And there you have it. With My Maps, you can now create a personalized Google Maps experience with multiple locations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.